Will Apple leave China? Is a subject that has captured the attention of the entire world. Take a look at the back of any Apple phone to see the inscription, "Designed by Apple in California, assembled in China." For many years, this statement has served as the basis for Apple's manufacturing strategy. Global iPhone shipments reached an astonishing 226 million devices in 2022, with a startling 90% of those units being made in China. This tried-and-true tactic, meanwhile, seems to be changing as Apple opens assembly factories in countries like Vietnam, India, and Mexico, along with its contract. The question arises, what will be China's share in this evolving world? An enduring fall from the 90% is inevitable, but where it settles, be it 70%, 50%, or even as low as 30%, we cannot predict with certainty. Will Apple depart from China? This question has enormous implications. Some have proposed tactics to anchor Apple, to stop Apple and its contractors from leaving. One idea is to provide them expanded policy concessions. Another tactic involves pledging to boycott their goods if manufacturers move, and even resorting to vandalism in an effort. Let's consider the flip side. A smartphone comprises over 2,000 components, large and small. No single nation can claim to be capable of producing everything. Apple has a wide network of 610 suppliers across the globe. Among these, mainland China houses 259, Japan has 96, the US harbors 49, Taiwan and Vietnam each have 37, South Korea boasts of 30, EU countries possess 21, Thailand has 19, the Philippines has 17, Malaysia is home to 15, Singapore hosts 14, India has 9, and South America 7. Quick calculation shows that a significant 42% of the suppliers are from China. If we envision the 90% assembly capacity as the visible tip of Apple's manufacturing iceberg, then the more than 250 largely unrecognized Chinese factories constitute the colossal, solid body beneath the surface. They represent China's specialized and unique prowess, as well as its unsung champions. Chinese manufacturing will continue to hold a unique role in the global supply chain for smartphones, as long as we provide them with a supportive environment for ongoing innovation and growth in their specific industries. Therefore, the key query is not just, will Apple leave China? But can Apple's supply chain truly afford to, and dare to, leave China? Apple doesn't hold the key to the solution. We do. Let me conclude by stating that the majority of these 250-plus factories are privately owned high-tech businesses. They are not merely the base of the global intelligent manufacturing system. They are a crucial component of its roots. We shape our own destiny.